If you want to solve the train station puzzle on the It Takes Two game, then just follow these instructions. Now inside this level, you will find 4 different people or statues scattered around. One of them has a white hat and is holding a lever or gear kind of mechanism. Just pick this person up and put it next to the platform, which will now switch the tracks to align it in the correct way. You will find another person wearing a black hat and a purple shirt. Put this just outside the red platform on the train-like object. Then look for the guy in the orange hat. Once you find this person, put the guy in the orange hat inside the train platform, just where the track bends. And finally, you will need to look for the train operator that is holding a red whistle. Put this character next to the gate, and now your puzzle is solved. You can now ride the train and proceed on to the next level. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to solve the train station puzzle on the It Takes Two game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.